Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the world of portable laundry solutions. Today, we're putting the Scrubba Wash Bag against the DFJK JUU portable washing machine. The Scrubba is a lightweight, manual washing machine perfect for travelers, while the DFJK JUU offers a larger capacity and electric operation for those who need a bit more convenience. Let's see how these two products stack up against each other in terms of operation, capacity, and portability. The Scrubba Wash Bag operates manually, requiring you to physically wash your clothes by hand, making it ideal for those who prefer a hands-on approach or need a portable solution. In contrast, the DFJK JUU portable washing machine is electric, offering multiple cleaning modes and a spin-dry function, which adds convenience for users who have access to electricity. When it comes to capacity, the Scrubba Wash Bag is designed for small to medium laundry loads, making it suitable for items like t-shirts and underwear. On the other hand, the DFJK JUU portable washing machine boasts a larger 16-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more items at once, which is perfect for families or those with larger laundry needs. Portability is where the Scrubba truly shines. Weighing only 5.3 ounces and folding down to a compact size, it's the perfect companion for travel. In contrast, while the DFJK JUU portable washing machine is foldable, it is heavier and bulkier, making it less ideal for on-the-go laundry solutions. In conclusion, both the Scrubba Wash Bag and the DFJK JUU portable washing machine have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a lightweight, portable option for travel, the Scrubba is your best bet. However, if you need a larger capacity and don't mind the extra weight and the need for electricity, the DFJK JUU is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.